Slow motion.
What? Yes. Okay, so we are on practice test number 1. And remember, this is exactly what your test looks like. You will have a calculator for this entire test. You need it for all of those law of sines and law of cosines and area problems. You need it. You don't really need it for this, but you're going to have it anyhow. So here we go. Take a look. This is practice test 1. Take a look here. What do you see that could be done?
Pull out a sign.
Take out a sign. Now, when I take out a sign, I have left sine squared plus cosine squared. Ding, 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 ding. What's sine squared plus cosine squared? 1. So you have sine times 1, which is sine. The directions say simplify. Just like on the quiz, one of your questions is going to involve the Pythagorean identities, and the other one's going to be just a rewrite and simplify thing. Any questions about a step I did in this problem? Okay. What's cotangent?
Cosine over sine.
Cosine over sine. Bless your heart. Now, this is cotangent divided by cosecant. That's what this means. Cotangent divided by cosecant. What is cosecant? 1 over sine. So I have cosine over sine divided by 1 over sine. What do I do when I divide fractions?
Multiply reciprocal.
Multiply by the reciprocal. Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Ford?
Yes,
Is Joseph James in the room?
he is.
Can I please see him in the front office?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hurry up, Joseph. Go fast. Leave your stuff. Leave your stuff. Go fast. So I have cosine over sine times sine over 1. What happens? They cancel, and we are left with just cosine. Now, are those hard? Yes. Are they impossible? No. We just got to be tough. All right. Number 2. Solve the triangle. Round to the nearest hundredth. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Let me catch up here. All right, what do I do? First I can find big A. And big A will be 180 minus 50 and 62. So I got 68 for big A. Did you?
Yes.
Your test looks exactly like this practice test. If you don't get big A right, it is hopeless. Right? Okay, now, everything else is going to be a little bit harder to find. Tell me what to do next. What is your thought next?
Sine of 50 over 16.
Sine 50 over 16. Beautiful. Sine 50 over 16 equals what? Sine 68 over A. Now, could we use sine 62 over C instead?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to have to do them both. And the order that I do them doesn't matter. So this is perfect. Scotto, what happens now? We got it set up nicely. What do we do now? Yep. So A sine 50 equals 16 sine 68. Clayton, what happens now? I sure do. That's perfect. So A equals 16 sine 68 over sine 50. Perfect. And I go to my trusty calculator, which, oh, by the way, if I don't have, I will not get a good grade. I must have a calculator. What was that? A? Did you get 19.37? Austin, you having a bad day?
It's tired, burned out.
Burned out?
Yeah.
Yeah, but look at it this way. You get to end your week with math. Right? It could be so much worse. Stop it. Marlon?
Can I leave? They're supposed to call dance team at 1
You're sure?
Yeah.
Alright, yes, if you have to go, you have to go. Alright, I need to, yeah, I need to find side C. What are we passing around back there? Alright, next, I need to set up my law signs to find side C. So what's that gonna look like? Sine 50 over 16 equals sine 62 over C. I will cross multiply just like we did before. And I'll do exactly what Clayton told me to do. I'm going to divide again by the sine of 50. And I got 18.44. Are we okay with that? That's easy stuff. Alright, we have one more of these. We have one more triangle.
Teachers, please pardon this interruption. At this time, could you please dismiss the student council members, the cheerleaders, and the dance team members that will be participating in the assembly so that they can prepare? Again, at this time, could you please dismiss the student council members, the dance team members, and the cheerleaders that are involved in today's assembly so that they can please prepare? Thank you.
It's not Latin dance.
We have to go too.
You're dancing too? In the assembly?
Yeah.
They are dancing. Regular dancing.
Alright, if you're on the Latin dance team.
Oh, well, Rush Park's in the way. That's what I head out too.
Liar.
Why don't you just let everybody go?
Yeah.
Just release them.
Huh?
Just release them.
Just release you. Alright, Vishani, I try to be a rule follower. Alright, here we go. I need to solve this triangle, boys and girls. I am not going to use the law of signs because I do not have any angles to match up with the sides. So this is going to have to be a law of cosines. You may begin with any angle you want, but you're going to use the law of cosines to find an angle. So decide which one you want to find. It makes no difference. We got to find one. You want to find D, E, or F?
E.
E. We're going to find angle E. Now, if she says we're going to find angle E, then that means in my law of cosines, out here I'm going to have cosine E, and over here, all by itself, the one little thing that's right here is going to be what? 16 squared. Because the side that's across from the angle you're using is the one that's here all by itself. So as soon as she said E, I knew this had to be 16 squared. If she'd have said F, that would have been 10 squared. Do you see what I'm saying? Now, as soon as I put 16 here, then I know what are these? 10 squared and 12 squared. And then the formula has a -2 always, and then times these two things, which are 10 and 12. This is a hard one to type in, be careful. So I have 16 squared, I have 10 squared, I have 12 squared, minus 2 times 10 times 12, that's 240 cosine E. Now don't add up these three numbers. That was hooked to a cosine, it's different. Can I add up these two? Yes. So 256 equals 244 minus 240 cosine E. Do not combine these. They are not like terms. It's like having a 7 minus a 5x. You can't add those together because this one has an x. This one has a cosine. They don't add. So what are we going to do? Subtract the 244. So 12 equals negative 240 cosine E.
I can divide by negative.
Now I can divide. So 12 over negative 240 equals cosine E. Now I can type that in on my calculator, but 12 over negative 240 is some crazy decimal. What do I do with that decimal? Second cosine it. Very good, Deshani. Remember, kids, if you want an angle, you have to second something. In this case, cosine, because this is a cosine problem. So what did we get for angle E?
1.62.
Are you in radians or degrees?
Yes.
I got 92.
I got 92.87.
Yeah.
So try it again, Deshani. Second cosine, negative 0.05. Did you get 92?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, John, you still with us?
Yeah.
All the way up here, we're all good. Okay, we still gotta find angle D and angle F to finish this problem. So what are your thoughts? Now that I have angle E, what do you think we might do? I love it. We have a pair. We have a pair. Did you hear what he said? We have a pair. So now we can say sine 92.87 over 16 equals sine F over 10, maybe? Could I have done D over 12? Yes, makes no difference. We just pick one. So then we cross multiply. And this time, Clayton, I'm going to divide by just 16. Would you agree? This is another one, though. When I type this in, I get a decimal. How do I get the angle in here? This time I second sine. And angle F is 38.62. Did I do okay? Double check me, did I do all right? Now the only thing left is angle D. Add them up and subtract from 180. So 92.87 plus 38.62 from 180 is 48.51. And that triangle is solved. Okay? So, somebody keep track. Remind me that we need to pick up with number 3. And then we don't have that much left of this test to go. Alright, so we good on that? Alright, so put your stuff away, pack up, leave everything here. Everything stays here and you come back after the assembly and pick it up. But please gather it up, put it in your backpack. We are not taking backpacks with us to the gym. I don't care who you are or why you think you need to take it. We're not doing it.
If I don't bring it.
Huh? No, it's staying in. Okay, now what's fair about that?
Because
Oh, my dad has an office. So I'll just
because I'm
tell
gonna be.
Oh.
you leave your stuff here and you come back and get it like everybody else. Chris, would you turn that off?